Woman looks at him and says, "Are you sure you're in the right store, sir?" He says, "Yes, I want to buy my lovely wife an anniversary present, something sexy to wear. What do you have?" She says, "Well, what do you have in mind?" He says, "Well, maybe some kind of nightgown, I don't know." He says, "Well, very nice, okay, yep. Well, what's her size?" She says, "Well, more or less your size." So they look at the racks, and she pulls out a nightgown and says, "Well, this is a very, very beautiful line. It's fairly affordable. It's $149, and as you can see, it's just a little revealing, but it's just right for an older lady." He says, "Maybe you have something a little bit more revealing." He says, "Okay, yeah, we can do that." Goes back to the racks, pulls out another one, skimpier. Says, "Well, this one is on sale, but it's a little more expensive. It's $249. He says, "What is your most expensive nightgown?" She goes and pulls out this thing that barely is there, that looks completely invisible almost. And she says, "Well, this is an extremely sexy little number. I don't know if your wife is going to appreciate it or not, but if you're interested, it's $399. He says, $400. Well, okay. How many times am I going to celebrate my 50th anniversary? Wrap it up, I'm going to take it. Wraps it up, he comes home. And the next day is the anniversary. They have themselves a nice little supper. And he says, "Я маю щось для тебе. Happy anniversary." And he gives Baba the box, and she opens it and just takes a peek and she says, "Боже, що ти тут зробив? What did you do? What are you doing for me? 50th anniversary, come on." And she says, "Oh, it's something a little sexy for you to wear. What's wrong with that? Go put it on. I want to see what it looks like." She's like, "Oh, well, okay, she died." He goes and sits down in the armchair and he's waiting and waiting, and she goes into the bedroom, takes this thing out of the box and looks at it. As I said, almost not there at all. But she notices the price tag is still on the darn thing. He forgot to take off the price tag. Looks at it, $400 almost. She means, "Duryu?" She says, "He's never going to want me to wear this again after tonight. I'm not going to put this on for $400. Нас we doing, чекай. To me, так сліпий. Тоже вечір. Lights are pretty dark in the living room, right? So she figures she'll just take everything off, sort of pose by the door. He'll appreciate it. And then she can just take the nightgown back along with the price tag and, stash away $400. Good plan. So she does exactly that. Puts the nightgown aside. Зовсім на голо розібралася, completely naked. Says, "Do you ready, Dido? Turn down those lights." He turns them down. "Okay, come on, Baba, come on, I'm waiting." So she opens the door slowly. She steps out slowly. And she turns around sexy in one direction and sexy in the other direction. Says, "Well, what do you think?" He says, "Ay, budайте." You think for $400 they'd at least iron the thing first. І така біда.